Today we have a Bosch Cooktop that's clicking, but it's not lighting, and this is a really easy one to fix. So first thing we're going to do is try switching the burner cap from a burner that we know works over to the burner that is having trouble, and sometimes that'll do the trick. So we have a lot of burner caps. We'll go ahead and pick up one and switch it over to the one that's having trouble. Remember that when you do the test, the burner cap may be hot because maybe the one that was working had the flame on it. So let it cool down first so you don't burn your hand. And then just as an experiment, try switching. If you notice that the left, front, and right burners both don't light on the Bosch, that means the simmer control needs to be replaced. And we have one in the description below. And it's a little bit more of an involved procedure. But for this problem, let's try another idea too besides the burner cap. Let's gently clean the igniter with a wire brush. You don't want to use a lot of force though, because the igniters are fragile. So just give it a little bit of abrasion on the top just to get it nice and clean. And now you want to strongly wire brush all the other metal parts. So if there's any corrosion or any dirt, any grease, you want to get rid of that. You basically want the head of the burner assembly here to be very, very clean, so that when it touches the burner cap, the bottom of the burner cap, it's a nice clean connection, and that creates a nice circuit. Now we're going to make sure this little tab fits in on the burner cap so it sits really flat. If the burner cap doesn't sit flat, some of the gas will escape and it probably won't light. So keep playing with it until it sits nice and flat. And now we have good ignition. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions.